So in this part, we will explain the sublayers of the data link layers. There are many layers, and the objective of this section is to allow you to understand the sublayers of the data link layer, know the responsibilities of LLC and DLC, know the responsibilities of the MAC sublayer. So if you look at the MAC layer here, you see that it can be divided into two sections. Data link can be, you have the data link here, and you have LLC sublayer and MAC sublayer. MAC sublayer is medium access control sublayer, and LLC is logical link control. Now, logical link control, or data link control sometimes it's called, it handles communication between upper and lower layers. This is its job. Handle communication between upper and lower layers. Takes the network protocol data and adds control information to help deliver the packet to the destination. So it has two functionalities. Handle the communication between upper and lower, and also a functionality which is similar to flow control. MAC sublayer, what does a MAC sublayer do? Here it constitutes the lower sublayer of the data link layer, implemented by hardware, typically in the computer inside network interface card. Two primary responsibilities. Data encapsulation, it has two jobs. Data encapsulation, encapsulate the data, add MAC address for the destination and source, and add CRC at the end, at the trailer. And media access control, MAC layer, media access control. What do we mean by media access control? Coordinate how are you going to share the resources you have between different devices. If all the devices want to access the access point at the same time, how the MAC layer is going to handle this? This is its main job. Why it's important to handle this effectively? Because if it doesn't handle this effectively, it will cause collision. It will cause collision. They will collide, and the data will get dropped by the receiving node, and then it will request another transmission, which can cause delay and reducing the throughput of your network. Data encapsulation means frame assembly before transmission and frame disassembly upon reception of a frame. MAC layer adds a header and a trailer to the network layer. Packet data unit, we call it. It has a specific size. And it provides the three primary functions: framing, physical addressing or MAC addressing, and error control. Responsible for the placement of frames on the media and the removal of frames from the media. Communicates directly with the physical layer. These are the jobs of the MAC layer. Now, if I give you a question like this and tell you classify these into LLC or MAC functionalities. For example, physical addressing, is it a MAC layer function or LLC function? So physical addressing is MAC, framing is MAC, error control is MAC, access control is MAC, but flow control is LLC or DLC. Communication between the upper layers and lower layers is also LLC. So these are the main things happening at the MAC and LLC.